Mistplay does not promise a fixed hourly income, and its current rules make that clear. The number of units you earn depends on your games, activity, offers, location, and account-specific multipliers. In Mistplay, on one in Mistplay. By the end, you'll know what actually controls your earnings, what the current limits are, and how to avoid wasting playtime on games that stop rewarding you. The biggest thing to understand is that Mistplay is a rewards app, not a regular job. You play eligible mobile games, earn game experience points, reach checkpoints, and receive units that can be redeemed for available rewards. In Mistplay, support untweetened. And there is a hard limit that affects how much you can earn from one game. Mistplay says you can earn GXP on a single game for a maximum of 2 hours per day, with limited exceptions for certain events. Once you hit that limit, continuing to play that same game does not keep generating normal gameplay rewards. In Mistplay, there is also a game level cap. Mistplay's support documentation currently says the level cap for a game is 20, so once you reach that point, switching to another eligible game is the practical move. In Mistplay supporting Thrake, your actual earning rate can also change from one game to another. Mistplay uses unit multipliers, and its support page specifically recommends prioritizing games with higher multipliers. Boosted games can also temporarily offer significantly higher multipliers. In Mistplay, supporting Fresh. There are other ways to add units besides normal gameplay. Mistplay currently lists daily tasks, events, promotions, referrals, challenges, and leaderboard-style features as possible earning methods. For example, its support page lists 100 units for each friend who is invited and redeems a gift card, although offers and features can change. In Mistplay supporting the other number worth knowing is the annual reward limit. Misplay's current terms allow users to redeem up to $550 USD worth of gift cards or other rewards per calendar year. That is a maximum, not a typical earning guarantee. In Mistplay 4T. So, how much can you really make? There isn't one honest monthly figure, because Mistplay says earning rates vary by user, game, location, and available promotions. Anyone giving you a guaranteed daily or monthly amount is going beyond what Mistplay itself promises. Mistplay 101. The practical approach is simple. Check each game's unit multiplier. Prioritize boosted or higher paying options. Switch games after reaching the daily earning cap, and use available tasks and promotions. So the key points are variable earning rates, a 2-hour daily GXP cap per game, and a $550 annual reward ceiling. Check your current shop and game offers before investing serious time. And if this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay guides.